cut across means if a problem or feeling cut across different group of people, they are all affected by it. Assess means use something. Channel means direct something such as money or energy towards a particular purpose. Dot means if an area is dotted with things, there are a lot of them there. Untapped means not yet used. Potential means to have a natural ability or quality. Ingredient, a quality you need to achieve something. Insurgency means rebellion, a attempt by a group of people to take control of their government using force and violence. Unrest means protest or violent behavior. Intellectual means an intelligent, well educated person. Hypothesis, an idea that is not yet proved. Enterprise means a project that is difficult or requires effort. Ignite means active, burn. The art of means the most important part of. Substance of means the main part of. Household name means a name that has become very well known. Students, now I will read the lesson continuation part of that to my countrymen. Page number 141. Open your textbook, page number 141. Follow my reading. Let us think what prevents us from undertaking such challenges. We have to analyze how we can give a new dimension to our style of functioning by cutting across the individual interests of various ministries and even industries and institutions to follow an integrated action plan. The motivate force has to be love for the country. We need a vision that is shared by the entire nation. In the drive of development, some states are faring better. Some states are faring better than others in the country. Bright young entrepreneurs have energized the national technology scene. Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, and Hyderabad are hubs of business activities. But even though the IT sector is a very visible area of success and has brought in some capital investment in terms of overall development, it is not enough. Even if you take up the IT area as a mission, manpower is the most important need. Those living away from the cities must also have access to a good education to join the talent pool, and this should happen fast. My visits to the northeastern states, Tripura and Assam, and to Jharkhand showed me our untapped potential. Tripura's economy rests on forest products, including bamboo cultivation. It is rich in mineral wealth as also in natural gas. But the transport facilities are in bad shape. It is difficult to travel, interact, and organize business. There is isolation. In Jharkhand too, there is mineral wealth besides its resource in terms of forest products and handicrafts, all of which need to be developed. In Assam, there is no shortage of resources and state has good educational infrastructure. All the ingredients required for D. All the ingredients required for a developed economy are there, but there is a insurgency and unrest among people. Focused mission will integrate people. States such as Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Karnataka have made me realize that much can be achieved once efforts are made. The channel development funds for improvement in areas such as education and health. These and other states can become good examples of economic development. Our intellectual forms, political forms, academic institutions and chambers of commerce are full of discussion and debate. There is noise, a lot of it. In fact, there are endless debates, arguments, hypotheses, theories, and yet there is little progress. However, the theme of a developed India is not discussed in broad room and technology conferences. I want all of us, institutions, political parties, industries, communities, families, individuals at every level to take full responsibility for what is good or bad in our situation, for what we possess and that which we do not. This would mean that we stop blaming others for the circumstances we find ourselves in. Taking responsibility also means willingness to exercise our abilities to the fullest. This will make us worthy of enjoying the benefits that come with effort. Here is one of the image that is APJ Abdul Kalam was speaking with students, discussion with students and advising to the students. Students should get ready to transform India into a developed nation. Ignite your minds and think big. A teacher once said, "Give me a 5-year-old child. After 7 years, no God or devil will be able to change that child. Will all teachers be such gurus?" Hello friends, in previous class we discussed about that what the Abdul Kalam says to young and what the guidance he given to us, what are the questions he arises in the mind of the young people. So here Abdul Kalam want to awaken the minds of the youths. They want to provoke, they want to motivate the people, the youngsters to involve in the efficient and very good productive works. So that's why he asked many questions about like that. He indirectly he provoked the youths to do work or invent something or conduct many works and experiments and many progressive works, involved in the many progressive works. Here what he asking, in the last class he asked that what are your responses to Kalam's question that what is it that we don't have. Yes, he explained everything what we have, which are the specialties in our country, naturally what are the sources we have. He explained everything through the questions. He asking questions to youngsters. Through the questions he given us the knowledge about what we contain, what we have. So India contained all the resources, natural, resourceful, and also it has the human power, human resource. It is one of the great source of Indian economy. So like that here, what are the things we have, but why we are not progressed or not we come at the top of the world, why we are not coming the first place of the developed country, but still we are in the developing country, why we are not make our country as a developed country. So here he asks that let us think that prevents us from undertaking such challenges. It's why we are go back to take challenging works, which force is prevents us to from undertaking such challenges. We have to analyze how we can give a new dimension to our style of functioning. Yes, we must analyze. We must analyze means examine. We must examine ourselves to give a new dimension to our style of functioning. We must analyze. We must concentrate on our function, our work, our task. What are the mistakes we are doing, and why we are not progress our work or developing our country? Why we are doing that? What are the problems arises? Why we are still back in our developments? So here we must analyze by cutting across the individual interest of various ministries. By cutting across means dividing. Cutting across means dividing or breaks the people into if a problem or a feeling that cuts across different groups of people, they are all affected by it. Yes, division of people or category people, like that the grouping, the cutting the people is one of the problem here. Interest in various ministries. Yes, here this is not my work, this is my work. We don't make boundaries like that. We must involve or take cooperation of other ministry also. We guide other ministry also. So like that we don't bondage ourselves. So think in the broad way. We must think in the broad way, like that even industries and institutions are following an integrated action plan. Yes, industries think that we are doing work, that is enough. We don't think. And institutions also, it takes only giving education. But the institutions also take the help of industries to educate the people in that production of the industry. Like that we must cooperating with each other, then we get the good progress in our developments. The motive force has to be love for the country. Yes, the motive force, the force which has make us to do something or active or think in the way of progress of our country. That means that the love of country. If we have the feeling of that towards our country, if we loved our country, then we must want to see our country in the top of the world. So in the rank of the top of the rank in all the progress. So then only we do something for country. So that's why we need that the feeling that love for the country. We need a vision that is shared by the entire nation. Yes, what we vision, what the knowledge, what the ideas we have, that must be shared the entire nation. That must be shared to all the people, those who are our country citizens. We must share our knowledge. Then that knowledge also creates some new thing. Maybe if we share our knowledge to others, they can progress that knowledge. That should maybe give some other ideas to that person. That person maybe create something for new. So maybe like that, the progress is going like that. So that's why we must share our vision to entire nation. In the drive for development, yes, in the progress or in the development, the work of development, some states are faring better than others in the country. In our country, some states are in the development. They are in progress in development, but compared to other states, bright young entrepreneurs have energized the national technology scene. Yes, bright young and those who are entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs means doing something work. The effort, with the effort they are doing work with very effort, that which are difficult works they are completed the tasks which are the difficult. That type of young people must be energized the national technology. That type of youth must be energized, means forced, motivate the national technology scene, bring new things, create new ideas and develop new technologies in the technical field. Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Hyderabad are hubs of business activities. Yes, nowadays we see Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Hyderabad are the hubs, the central points for the business activities. They are centrated, means they are concentrated. These places are completely centered to the business purpose. But even though the IT sector is very visible area of success, but now we are seeing that the success in the IT sector, means information technology, we are getting more progress in the information technology. That is our one of the great achievement. But success and has brought in some capital investment in terms of overall development. Yes, our progress, the information technology, the industries, the companies which are attracted the investment from other countries. These places attracted the other country companies, that is information technology companies, software companies in our state. But this is not enough. But this is not enough for our progress. Even if you take up the IT area as a mission, if we are thinking like that, the information technology is one of the mission, manpower is the most important need. So manpower is very important to progress that information technology, develop information technology. But these living manpower is more important. But what happens? Those living away from the cities must also have access to good education to join the talent pool. Still now, many talented people, many talented persons are living away from city, away from the opportunities, because those are living in the remoted villages, remoted place, so they don't get any opportunity to expose their knowledge, express their knowledge or expose their talent. So that's why we need that type of education and opportunity to those who are away from cities. But only cities are progressing in developing information technology. But here, and this should happen fast. Yes, that must be grown, that must be developed throughout country. The all remoted village peoples also involved in this technology field. My visits to the northeastern states. Yes, Abdul Kalam visited the northeastern states. Northeastern states means northeastern, north, east, south, west. Northeastern state, this is the direction. Here in India in these directions comes the states Tripura, Assam, Jharkhand, Manipur, like that. These states are coming in the northeastern states. Tripura and Assam and to Jharkhand showed me our untapped potential. Untapped potential. Then there, when Abdul Kalam visited these northeastern states, then they seen that untapped potential, and right, it is without using the sources. We are not using the sources, proper use of the sources, the natural sources. There is these states are very enriched in the natural source, but there we don't use it. We don't make it proper way of using those natural sources. Tripura's economy rests on forest products. Yes, Tripura's economy. Economy means ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ. ತ್ರಿಪುರದ ಅರ್ಥ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಎಕನಾಮಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. It's depend on the production of the ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟಿನ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಬೋ ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಶನ್. ಎಸ್, those peoples are depending or they live their life on the basis of bamboo cultivation. They are doing many articles, many works, many skillful creative moments, creative things which are done by the bamboos. For bamboos things they are make use for life lead. So that's why they that is the one of the livelihood things. So they are earning money from doing these bamboo cultivation. It is rich in mineral wealth, but Tripura is very rich in mineral wealth. Mineral wealth means natural wealth. Hidden in earth means ore. Yes, also in natural gas. Yes, we are also getting natural gas in the earth of the Tripura. Natural gas. Okay, we can also getting natural gas in the earth, underground the earth. Here the Tripura is one of the natural gas source, but the transport facility are in bad shape. But the transportation facility means roads, railway tracks are not possible in the hill station. The Tripura is in the remote place, that is in the hill station. So that's why there is no easy road. The roads are very in the bad position. The traveling is very difficult. So that's why they are away from us. They are remoted. They are away from us. So it is difficult to travel, interact, and organize business. Yes, there is the Tripura is become back very in the business because of only the lack of transportation facility. There is isolation. Yes, the place is very isolation. It is cut away from whole world because of only for the lack of transportation. In Jharkhand too there is mineral wealth. Yes, in the Jharkhand also has the mineral wealth. Besides its resource in terms of forest products and handicrafts, all of which need to be developed. Yes, Jharkhand also had the resources that forest products and handicrafts. Jharkhand people are also depending on that forest to live their life. They are making use of that product which are forest products to convert them as to handicrafts and many more things. All of which need to be developed. Yes, these are need to for developing our country. In Assam there is no shortage of sources. Okay, if we go to the Assam, there is also no shortage of resources. That is also very rich in the resource and take as good educational infrastructure. The state has also good educational infrastructure. Yes, Assam has also getting very good educational structure. All the ingredients required for a developed economy are there, but there is insurgency and unrest among people. But the reason for Assam backwardness is that is insurgency and unrest among people. There is conflict between people. There is rebellion. The peoples are always rebellions against to the government. They want to overtake the ruling of the government. So they are always involved in the insurgency and unrest. A focused mission will integrate people. Yes, a focused mission will integrate people. If we have concentrate or if we have provide an opportunity to involve in a mission which has developed our country, make those people into involved in the mission, and then we will integrate our people. States such as Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Karnataka have made me realize. But states Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Karnataka have made realize that much can be achieved once efforts are made to channel development funds for improvement in areas such as education and health. Yes, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Karnataka, these states proved that the achieved once efforts are made to channel development funds for improvement in areas such as education and health. Yes, the development of the economy, the benefits, the profits of this development, the achievement of these efforts are completely developed the health and education of the people. Yes, the technology, the knowledge which are the economic condition of these states are improved our people's health and education. These and other states can become good example of economic development. Yes, these states and some states are very good example for economic developments. Yes, progress in economic condition. Our intellectual forms, political platforms, academic institutions and chambers of commerce are full of discussion and debate. Yes, our intellectual forms means those the people who have efficient, intelligent and they are also involved in the efficient work. Those people and political platforms, political leaders and academic institutions, education institutions and the chambers of commerce. The institution which is encouraging the commerce activities are full of discussion and debate. These are completely involved in the discussion and debate. There is noise. Yes, in there we getting the sounds. A lot of it, in fact, very lot of sounds we getting. There are endless debates. Yes, these institutions creates that endless debates, arguments. We are getting arguments, hypotheses, theories, and yet there is little progress. We are conducting all these activities, even though that also we are getting very little progress. However, the theme of a developed India is not discussed in broad room and technology conferences. Yes. However, the theme of the developed India is not discussed in the broad room and technology conferences. Yes, we don't discuss about the we can't be only discussion in the room, in the conference also is not getting improvements. But we must work. Only discussion in the broad rooms and technology conferences are not developed our country. We must visit the fields and do the works. There are endless debates, arguments, hypotheses, theories, and yet there is little progress. Right? But we are getting very little progress from these debate, theories, and hypotheses and arguments. However, the theme of developed India is not discussed in the broad Roman technology conferences. We could not discuss the developed country, about theme of the developed country. We can't discuss in the rooms and conference halls. I want all of us. Abdul Kalam wanted that all of us in this situation, in the political parties, industries, communities, families, individuals, every field, in the every stages, at every level, to take full responsibility for what is good or bad in our situation. We must all take the responsibility that which is good and which is bad for our situation. According to situation, we must do the action. We must do the work. For what we possess and that which we do not. Yes, we must now analyze what we have possessed, what we have, and what we not have. We do not have, which we do not have. So that's why we must examine ourselves. The world, this would mean that we stop blaming others for the circumstances we find ourselves in. Through this, we should not blame others. We should not blame the political parties, political leaders and others and government. We should not blame others for they don't progress our country. They don't lead our country properly. We don't blame others. For that purpose, how we are responsible. How we are responsible for the situation where we are. So what is our country now? In which position is our country? How responsible for that? We must think ourselves. Everyone must think individually. Taking responsibility also means willingness to exercise our abilities to the fullest. Taking responsibility means willingness means like to exercise our abilities, bring out our abilities, do the chance to our abilities to come out to the fullest. In the fullest, we must utilize our knowledge, our ability to fullest in the range for the development of our country. This will make us worthy of enjoying the benefits that can come with effort. This will make, yes, when we have the willingness, means when we are taking responsibility, means that is when we give the opportunity or we utilize our knowledge and abilities to progress our country, then it makes the worthy of enjoying the benefits. Then we get the benefits. We definitely enjoying the benefits that come with our efforts. Students should get ready to transform India into a developed nation. Now, Abdul Kalam also says to the children that students, you should get ready. You should get ready to transform India into developed nation. You must make our country as not only developing country, you must make it as a developed country. You may bring progress in our country. Ignite your minds and think big. Ignite your minds means active your mind. Active your mind. Give work to your mind. Give task to your minds and think in the big way. Think in the big way. You must have big goals. Give big achievements. Big aims in your life. Abdul Kalam also says about teacher, the ability of a teacher. A teacher once said,
Dear student, this is the homework for you. Match the following. One column has given great person's name and the other column was their works.
After 7 years,
Here is
no God or
collocation.
devil
Words
will
often
be
used
able
together
to
are
change
called
the
collocations.
child. Yes,
For
like that,
example,
the teacher
the
can
word
mold the
hearty
personality of
is often
student.
used with congratulations.
Teacher can mold
And
the
we
personality of
say
a
the word
student when
and we say
the
hearty
time is given
congratulations.
to that. If
In the
a
following
child is,
table, match the
get
words that collocate
him
the
as a 5-year-old child, get
collocate
him
and write them
get to
down.
a teacher. After 7 years, the teacher can mold the personality of that child. No one could be changed. So, will all teachers be such gurus? Yes, all the teachers have that type of abilities, that type of teacher, that type of gurus. Like that, Abdul Kalam ji also appreciating the ability of teachers in this lesson. And Abdul Kalam also activate the minds of ours through this lesson, through this book. So students, you know that now you have all the abilities. You have all the abilities. You must utilize your abilities and knowledge to bring progress into our country. You must think in the broad way. Big. You must have the big aims in your life. Okay, children?
This is homework for you. Match the following. In the A column, you have the names of great persons, and B column, you have works of their collocations. Words often used together are called collocations. For example, the word arty is often used with the congratulations, and we say hearty congratulations. In following table, match the words with the collocative and write them down.